Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Department of Accounts, Animal Husbandry, Forest under scan for violating election code. Chief Electoral Officer demands explanation. Major transfer orders soon. Mickey resigns as NCP MLA, leaves NCP. Speaker accepts resignation. Mickey hits at Congress NCP government to join Goa Vikas Party, his 6th defection. And the governor may send Goa Lokayukta bill for a presidential assent. Government sends back bill to governor, gives legal advice. Now the news in detail. Department of Accounts, Animal Husbandry and Forest are under the scanner for violating the election code of conduct. Sources say interviews, offer of appointment and order to join work of around 150 posts were issued by these departments on the 23rd of December. The Chief Electoral Officer has now asked an explanation from these departments for this exercise. Transfers of police officials and bureaucrats are likely to take place the next week.
The Department of Accounts, Animal Husbandry and Forest could be in trouble. This department had conducted interviews, offer of the appointment and order to join work of around 150 posts on 23rd of December.
BJP complaint दिली mass recruitment चलता म्हणून तेजेर आमच्या ऑफिसान सगळे सरकारी खात्यांतल्यान डिटेल्स मागिल्ल्यो चडशे सरकारी खात्यांतले डिटेल्स आमकां पाविल्ले सांगसर आनी तांचे प्रमाणे चडशे प्रोसिजर्स ताणें पयलीं केल्ले आसात पूण काही खात्यांतले आमकां अशें दिसून आयलां की 23 तारखेकूच ताणें लास्ट इंटरव्यू घेतलो 23 तारखेकूच ऑफर ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट दिली 23 तारखेकूच अपॉइंटमेंट दिलो 23 तारखेकूच जॉइन जाले म्हणून आमच्या म्हायती प्रमाणे तरी सरकारी खात्यान अश्यो गोश्टी घडणे अशक्य आमी ताजेरूय तांचे कडल्यान डिटेल्स मागिल्ले आसात की 23 तारखेकूच सगळ्यो ह्यो गोश्टी करपा फाटल्यान म्हणजे कितें मशिनरीज ताणें अपॉइंट केल्ली काय म्हणून.
Also, transfer orders of police inspectors and DYSPs and other senior bureaucrats are expected within next couple of days.
पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाच्यो ट्रान्सफर ताणें थोड्यो केल्ल्यो आनी आमचे कडेन ताणें परमिशन मागलां ट्रान्सफर्स करपाक आमी तें परमिशन कमिशनाक आमी तें तांचें लेटर कमिशनाक धाडून दिलां आनी कमिशनाचें परमिशन आयलें काय आमी तांकां कन्वे करतले आनी शक्यतो म्हाका दिसता 2 दिसां भितर कमिशनाचें परमिशन जातलें. सद्या आमच्या हाजे प्रमाणे होम डिस्ट्रिक्ट आनी हें धरून सादारण 30 ब्युरोक्रेट्साचे ट्रान्सफर करचे पडटले.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Finally, NCP legislator from Banauli, Mickey Pacheco, has resigned as MLA. Mickey submitted his resignation on Friday to the Speaker Pratap Singh Rane. Soon after the exit, Mickey had a dig at the Congress NCP-led government. Mickey has also resigned from NCP along with 5 other members. He will soon join Goa Vikas Party. That would be his 6th defection.
Mickey Pacheco submitted his resignation as MLA on Friday morning. He submitted his resignation to the Speaker of Goa Assembly, Pratap Singh Rane, at Assembly Complex in Porvorim. Mickey says that he resigned as he is not happy with the governance of Congress NCP-led government.
The way the government has been functioning, I had seen this government functioning, and after I had gone through so much, I decided to resign from this government as well as also from the party. I'm going to resign from the party also today. Because this basically, I had given an opportunity to this government, Congress-led government, to give good governance to the people of Goa and Goans right from the year 2005. But I regret today giving opportunity. This government literally ripped off our whole state of Goa and Goans.
Mickey said that he will never join hands with Congress and NCP in future. He confirmed that he is joining Goa Vikas Party. Later in the evening, Mickey, along with 5 other members of NCP, Anil Jolapure, Nelly Rodriguez, Shashi Panjikar and Aditya Panjikar resigned from the primary membership. Mickey says his party will get victory in the coming assembly polls in 2012.
आयज हे पक्षान हे सरकारान कसल्यो बारीक आमचे गोंयकारांचे कसले विशय आसात ते मांडीत जाल्यार सरकार दिल्ली धांवता आमकां दिल्ली धांवता तसलो हायकमांड आमकां नाका आमचे विशय आहा आमचे गोंयचे पयलींचे विशय आहा आमी हिंगा बसोन गोंयकारांक सेटल करची गरज आसा त्या पासत आयज हो पक्ष हाडला आमी गोंयचो पक्ष बोर सरकार दिवपाक गोंयचे पयलीचे तुका म्हाका सगळे पयलीचे दिसती पडटा आसलो त्या पासत हांव 1-2 येता म्हणून हांव 40 मतदारसंघान इलेक्शन कॅन्डिडेट घालतलो बोर कॅन्डिडेट this election new selection to root out all the corruption.
Sources claim that Venkatesh Prabhumoni, Prakash Fadte and Naresh Korgaonkar are likely to resign from the NCP. Here is a political journey of Mickey Pacheco. February 2002 NCP, May 2002 UGTP, January 2003 UGTP Secular, January 2005 BJP, June 2007 NCP and December 2011 to join Goa Vikas Party. Our reporter from Porvoori Basuri Desai with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
The possibility of Goa Lokayukta bill being sent for a presidential assent cannot be denied. Sources say the government has already forwarded Advocate General's legal advice to the governor. Advice says that governor has discretion to decide whether the bill is to be sent for a presidential assent or not. Even otherwise, on some issues, presidential assent is necessary. The bill has to be sent back to the governor for assent on Wednesday.
Goa Lokayukt bill is pending enforcement since 2003. Amended Lokayukt Bill 2011 was passed by the Goa Assembly on 5th of October. Later, it was sent to the governor for his assent. The procedure took almost a month. Later, governor had sent the bill back to the government asking for a legal advice on the necessity of presidential assent. From past 2 months, this file was moving around in the Secretariat, Law Department and Advocate General's office. Finally, on Wednesday, after a legal advice from Advocate General, the file was sent to the governor. Sources in the Secretariat say Advocate General has advised the governor that he has a discretion to decide whether the bill should be sent for a presidential assent. Supreme Court has clarified it in some of its judgments. Even otherwise, on some issues, presidential assent is necessary. Now, after all the procedures, the bill has reached back to the governor after 3 months. It will take some more time by the time it comes back from the president if it is referred for assent. Later, the Law Department has to frame Lokayukt Rule 2011 and then the Lokpal can be appointed. The procedure is likely to be completed in a new government's regime. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.